Hi guys, welcome to the first episode of Know the Game. Today I'm with the host of Know the Game. So he just asked me, said, yo, can I please do this with you? I want to introduce myself, boom boom boom. From there I'm gonna take my show to the next level. So I was like, yo man, don't worry about it, I'm gonna be part of this. Then we'll see from here where you can go. If he is serious, because he's the one who said, yo Krotman, please do something about this. I need this space. I want to show my skills. I want to show what I can do. I want to bring talent. I want to do this. I want to do that. I was like, yo, if ever you are willing to do these things, don't worry about it, man. I got you. Please introduce yourself. Who are you?
Yo, Bafetu, it's your boy Penny Pen, Panoko Fredos, Bafetu. I'm with my hot man here, Bafetu. Namaz no Kevele. So, very many banele ngubane. Ngizalelwe ePara. Ngilaspon. Ngilaspon Hotman.
How many are you again?
It's by 4. Umuntu wami omdala, siswami bese ngilaspon.
No. Also it's 2 boys, 2 girls.
2 boys, 2 girls.
Oh.
Mara ke time avele nalo shange ngayinxosa esayidini. Nabo shooting yabala by 6 kahle.
So go all ladies, kuba ngo
all ladies by 4. Njoba ngitshela ukuthi umuntu omdala,
then 2
ladies and me.
Shout out.
Kina la last born bafethu. Hayi ngikhuluma no Hotman ngimcelile ukuthi ngifuna ukuvula i-channel nginibonisa iskill ne-talent esikhona eKasi. Like bafethu nani niyazi ukuthi baningi abantu abane-talent bafethu sokuthi like sidlelana umona ne-Hotman sidlelana umona mara ke since le channel ikhona bafethu like sobaveza sapromote sobaveza abantu abane-talent nizobabona nani bafethu enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button
every time when you drop anything. Don't worry, you're gonna get used to it. You're gonna get to it. Yeah, man. Last episode of the Genses, I saw you busy promoting Stunya. Stunya, which is your brand. So like how did Stunya started actually? Unabubane Stunya, are you the only one who's running these things? Mhlambe unobhuti wakho or ibhadi yakho? Like okay, let's start from the start. In fact, like iqale kanjani Stunya to be where it is now?
Okay. Like Stunya Hotman like not besasentwana njengoba ngasho vele kwi-changes ukuthi kenzakaleni.
Guys, if you haven't checked the other part, please just press those written videos. You'll see where you are explaining here. But like
like besasebancane vele sinekhawashi ngase clinic esekeleni. So vele imali akhona vele besidla bona Hotman. Abazali endlini basibuza ukuthi kahle nina nasebenza makala ihlezi ungenamali kanjani. Okay, ila nathi vele ke sicabanga khona ukuthini kiyashintshana imiqondo bafethu yabona sibe positive nje nathi guy one yabo. Okay, imali siqala besibeka asibeke from la mase sibona ukuthi okay siphethe imali engaka ayazini bafethu asamenza ubhana amahudi yabo senze something. Okay, same time vele masamba vele kodwa
wait, so it's you na bangani bami
nabangani bami. It's Tumane and Tau.
Are they still part of Stunya?
Yeah, they still.
Okay, cool. So it's two partners who are not here.
Yes,
who are part of Stunya.
Hayi ngisazobaveza nabo bafethu. So kufanele ukuthi ngibafaka ama mask for now. So nina ngizodinga ukuthi like and like nenze lento engishilo ukuthi vele ngizokhipha imask ngizobaveza vele. Okay, ngicela ngisasho vele Hotman
ukuthi uwe nabangani
yimi nabangani bami
when then buy the hoodies
then from there. Okay, masibuya. Okay, sonke engqondweni besina ideas ukuthi okay.
So wait, so you took this money like kawash then let's go and buy
some hoodies so that we can start our things.
Okay, all right. So you bought the hoodies?
We bought the hoodies. Then obvious umuntu bekashane ngeclear ukuthi uzoyenzani yena kwilontuza
i-design
okay mina ke since vele ngithanda ama camera kanje namanje nabona ngisemakamereni bafethu mina vele bengicabangeni ama camera ngishoot yabo ay vele kusasa okay ngishiye vele umngani wami bubayithula ngibashoot umane noThibos mangibashiya kanjalo okay angazi shoot babe ne like bakhulumisana ukuthi baqalana kanjani yabo so mangifika kusasa okay ama-agents wa decided okay Ben since vele sithe sifuna ukushaya something okay mina noThibos sesicabangela ukuthi soshayana isithunya okay sithunya ama-agents ayazi nambe ngekosho hot man ngithaye sithunya hayi man ngingabi lezi zinto zama scheme nani yabo yeah okay amachi dazi ishayeni ngiboneni iqala yabo hayi bakhaphe vele sambe sonke yazivele hlezi sonke namanje abantu abaningi bayazi ukuthi ngihlezi nalabangani bami mina bayithu vele so hayi sabakhapha saya vele la printer khona masifika bayishaya I plus ke naye ke uPrazux vele umnikazi wenayile internet cafe
shout out to Zux
to Prazux bafethu ngase clinic internet cafe bafethu ay ukhotmane yena ayashaya amanye amakhala ayena mengibona ukuthi yazini le ayena
this one is the one
this one is the one yeah it's the one no ngithini ngisha mangishaya ngifike endlini ngibabonisa ay mara beng saba bona but man ukuthi maybe
yabazo reject and then nina manje
what I think mangifika endlini bayincoma how azini bekhona namakhazi wami nawavakashile abayincoma bathi nabo bafuna amahudi inini vele yabo vele sabashayela ila vele sesiqala khona ukubona ukuthi yazi lento lesingayiphusha le until izifike la esicabanga ukuthi ngafika khona because vele sinama dreams for la directing le sinama dreams like bafethu lenganzeni bafethu like bazobashaya isithunya nabo bafethu
okay I hear you sorry to cut you off. Okay, now you guys have been approved the car, which okay you can go ahead and these things people are busy liking it. I'm a siblings, but like that they understand the idea now. Right? So my question is this: how many hoodies or how many t-shirts did you buy like on your first stock?
On your
besides this one,
for us.
Like first stock.
Like
how
first customers
much? Like first stock manhamba new thing and okay let me give you an example. Let's say you're buying these things in China Mall, right? How many t-shirts did you buy or how many hoodies? Or else how much did you spend on your first Astunia stock?
We bought 6 hoodies. Each hoodie was costing 150. Okay. 150 one, so they made discount for us. So angisakhumbula kahle ukuthi
then spend how much.
Still spend how much. But then first stock we 6 so sawashaya vele i3 ile amakhazini wami bayifuna so amakhazini wami vele athengile nawo support ezi yabo.
No, I hear you. So okay, and then you guys is not just the hoodies that you're selling. What else are you selling?
We're also selling t-shirts. For now we only have round necks, beanies, straight caps. We also have dry feet. Like this one, this one. Also have side bags, track suits. So obviously, like sikala la ke manje khotman ibini as I said vele it's 90 rand. Sporty 110. Also got 5 panel. The straight cap. You know most lawa manje lawa bathanda. Lawa yavela yabahlala abafana. Bafithi anhlala lawa yamahle yazi lawa esiwaphethe lapha. Khotman i5 panel it's 150 then a cap
5 panel.
Nabo bazoyibona njengoba bhekene
150.
150.
Beanie is 90.
Beanie 90
rand. Then cap
it's 150 like
150
panel.
Okay.
sunheads or what 110.
Okay.
We also have hoodies. Hoodies Kalabu 300 to 350.
Okay.
All
right.
Yeah. We also have different designs. Yeah, you can choose your favorite design. Also have track suits. Yeah, like even underwear is hot, man.
Yeah.
Like even now I'm also wearing it, but I can't show them. It's underwear. It's underwear.
The boys are pushing. Yeah, the boys are hustling. Guys. Okay, so how long have you guys been running this thing, this operation?
It's been
this brand, this clothing line and stuff.
It's been 3.5. 3.5.
3 years.
Yeah, 3.5. See what, man?
3 years.
Yeah.
Congrats, guys. Wow.
Pushing,
and you guys been like together ever since.
Yeah, like ngikhule nabo. Okay, like ngikhule noTumane. Tumane like beku hayi. Maqala wami vele obvious na he was one of those boys like abaseki mina nani, but then izinto aziyakabona na ukuthi akusimpilo le. So nami mina like bafethu ngifuna uqamba manga ne like angazi like hotman like ngithanda izinto ezokulwa and stuff yabona. So naye uma qala ubonile okay nomngane kanje, so nomamakhe naye ambuza ukuthi kanti why wena ungahambi nomfana because yena like akatholakala intweni ezimbi nani ilave lesisiqala khona ukuhamba sonke sisasebancane from primary school bekafunda eWops, mina ngifunda ePPS. So since isamba sonke then sahlangana noThabo high school, the other guy. High school besifunda eWillows, but then kusele mina noThabo eWillows. Umngane wami mfile noTumane nokushintsha isikolo. So
no man, guys, shout out to the young guys who are showing hustles, guys. Shout out to you guys, please don't fall off just yet, guys. So give me your 5-year plan of Studio. Where do you want to take Studio to?
Fair to like
what are we expecting in 5 years time?
Okay, in 5 years time I feel to shop like everywhere. Everywhere Zoitola, Limpopo, KZN, Gub. Yeah, this is Fiso Samso Kala,
nationwide.
Yeah, like shop like everywhere. Yeah.
No, I hear you. So but like, have you guys asked for a spot like in Kambe, a mall or even not even a mall? Like general like a shop price
like somewhere. This ngakacela hotman cause
just to ask to know which quotation which okay guys, if ever we can push this much, it means we can have like a shop which we can rent, which we can have this and that, you know. We haven't asked anything about it.
Like I ask as mara like kewafika lesikhathi lesukuthi like sicabanga ukushaba ma shop nyana lapha ngakhabo Tumane cause ngakubo it's like straight ekudlula bonke abantu.
It's a busy street like
yeah. So vele beku khona lesikhathi lesi sokuthi like bese singasayinakanga kancane mara sabuye zazikhuphula sathi ne man sina something yekumeke usiphusha ngeke sivele siqala into bese yayiyekela yabona.
So what are you guys doing to push the brand?
Like doing how?
Like are you guys going to these events, you know, wearing Stunya as a brand to get it out there? Are you guys trying to give like artists your brand to wear Stunya so people can because that is part of marketing. Yeah. Man funu push and let's say an example, right? Let's say him like mhlambe ni part of Amapiano, I'm big or something, just to approach these big guys with yo guys, can you please wear my brand just to put it out there. Singabafana Jane, but we are trying to push these things, you know, we're trying to push this black excellence, you know. Have you tried anyone to give him your match or her match? Yes. to give you have you tried anyone?
It's Jabulo Jebster, the one you know wafethu oticheyayo. It's Jabulo Jebster and who some girls nje eSoweto.
Okay.
There was beautiful girls esibanigile eSoweto. So siyazi ukuthi amachita ngithi like esimaketa ngabo girls siyazi amachita.
But like what I can say to you guys, because we want to see you guys grow, like this brand, we want it to be on the level of your Batus, your Amatosa, your drip, you know. We want to put it out there. So try by all means, right, to get all these artists. Just to give these guys for free. Like yo, guys, snap brand this one so can you please wait this to help us advertise this stuff? If ever I wanna more which bazotis I mean to waste such and such, I need money. But we are just like the young hustlers out there, you know. So can you please push these things for us and stuff? You have to you have to reach out. Nama event at most cases, make sure the money that you guys are making out of stewing and everything. If ever who's performing somewhere, you guys have to rock up there. Just to have fun, but wearing stewing all the way. Do you get it? These are marketing strategies. The more you guys appear there, you are super clean, you know, like you're flying, like
me, no?
You're dripping, you're dripping. But like to be on that specific event or everything, is gonna draw attention to you guys. Like, yo, what are you guys wearing? That is part of marketing, because you can't afford a billboard. You can't even afford a shop. Do you get it? But like what you can do is to is to go out there where there's like abantu abaserious nyana, like okay, let me give you an example. Let's say Major League busy teacher, just go there. Go there working at home, because those ones are gonna need like a dealership now. But we have to sign something. So you can just rock up there wearing this thing, saving a vibe, whatever. Exactly. So the more you guys are creating it's part of marketing. If video ya figure la pie company na now ni vela go balcony mix is wearing his tune and like that's how you install these things ebantui. Do you follow what I'm trying to say?
But it's not man.
We understand? The more about Nina Maniala Paya, you're going in the name of marketing. Then man figure la paya nga figure no.
There's a hot man minaneza.
Throw attention. Abo machaiva.
Hot man pe. Asizenza abo machaiva. Singabo machaiva.
Good. That's how you push the brand. That's how you push. You don't have to. Hence I'm saying that if God forbid you guys are busy selling to your maybe you're busy pushing a brand. If ever somehow is being recognized, I mean you're making real money.
Something.
Don't chow that money. Don't drink that money. Save it. You're saying this is part of marketing. Then if anything happens around, you are there. And when you guys get there, you must make a scene. People must know what is 2 years Figgy. Do you get it? Right. Yes. Like you must draw an attention. About like Figgy is like Mama Figgy the cameras have to be on you. Like as you know, and then Daba skipper right? Yes. Outfit like you're not wearing like same style.
Like
we want to get this, we want to get this, but it's always true. So it's part of the promo. So you are hijacking somebody's platform. Do you get it? So that's something. So that's how you push yourself. At least now you have know the game and everything. You're gonna tell people, yo guys, don't forget it's 2 years corner. If ever you need this, please follow me here. If ever, please call me here, text me here, boom, boom, boom. Do you get it?
Yeah.
So you have to keep it moving, bro.
Yeah,
You have to keep moving. Yeah, it's spacey unaso manje. He said, yo, I need a space, hot man. I have to push my things. I was like, yo, I need the young kids who have dreams. I need the young kids who have desire to do something. I'm gonna do whatever I can do, because I don't know where this guy is going, guys. I mean, I'm just laying a hand way I can, you know. Maybe some more DJ's book when I, you know, also then you're presenting on some of his shows and everything, you know. So everything starts small.
Yeah,
but you have to annoy people.
Yeah.
You have to annoy. I still remember Casper, what he said. Ne? He said when on his come up, right? He have to do that ponytail thingy.
Yeah.
To draw an attention that yo, lay out in their ponytail. Everyone have to say yo, lay out in their ponytail. What is it? There's something unique about that guy. And then like I'm gonna make a hell of a noise, ne?
Yeah.
You'll be forced to umamele ukuthi lay out your ponytail. What is he saying? What's he? Where is this guy going? Yeah. So the more you are trying to figure these guys out, is giving you messages, is dropping songs, is doing this, is doing that. Yeah. It's exactly what happened to this guy with the rainbow hair. Or go America. What 6ix9ine.
Oh, 6ix9ine. No, lower tattoos.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
That boy came up with this rainbow hair and everything. He drew attention, but and then what is it? By doing so, he's gaining traction and everything. Yeah. So I'm trying to give him some marketing strategy. If you have nothing, you have to make noise. Make noise. If ever you are a dancer, take your talent to the next level. People have to watch you guys doing something. Then konuba throw out
attention.
He's 2 years old. So yeah, guys, the boys have to keep pushing, man. Then there's acting, man. I saw you with these white ladies. Hey. Like how did the acting career came about? Like what pushed you into acting and stuff?
Asiswami hot man.
Yeah.
Yeah, like umuntu engibonele kuye ezinye izinto.
Okay.
Yeah, like vele yena uqale ngemodeling and stuff, yabo. So agcina vele seka sentweni.
Like wait, is she a model or she was a model before?
She was.
And then now what is she doing?
She's an extra, like background extra. I mean, my background actor. She also get some roles. That were like bamkama feature. Abanye vele like banokumbona. If namazi swami, maybe nambona kwigeneration, isita.
Okay.
Yeah, like zining.
As an extra.
Yeah. But obviously angithi ezinye like utholi I role.
Yeah, ukuthi I feel a part
of something. Ayenze something, yabona.
So it means there's a potential with okay. So okay, and then she said, yo boys, you have to do something.
Yeah, it's like obviously mina but man bengumuntu odlala ibhola yabo.
Okay.
So obviously ibhola ngilithanda. But then like izingithi bengaboni like umehluko and stuff. So ngiseni let me try something else. So mangizama vele acting. So ngiyabona ukuthi okay, happiness yami khona la. Yeah, like I enjoy yabona into engiyenza, like enjoy into eyenziwa lapha and stuff yabo hot man. So obviously siswa amaqala vele angisa kumana ile auditions vele. Vele nami no.
And then at the beginning, what were you auditioning for?
Like when you bathi like bebashaya like something yasikasi like njengama bathini ngizothini ngizibiza ngani man izinto manje ukuthi actor and stuff
like for what is this channel now alone Abokasi stories.
Yeah, Abokasi stories. Like maybe like thing into see shop right. Basifika nje lapha sibeka izinto zethu, shaya izinto zakhona abantu basondele basibhekelele.
As like a play so.
Yeah.
Oh, so okay. You did an audition for Ama Play.
Yeah. So obviously
when you doing acting like where people gonna like want to listen to what are you guys
saying and stuff, like obviously actions.
No, I understand.
Yeah.
Do you know that is the biggest stage you can do?
Yeah.
But umuntu like a best actors, they're coming from like stages like about Joburg theater and everything. Where you perform.
Like saqala kanjalo vele so saqina vele okay sathola ama agents and stuff yabo. So bese basibhuka ke like now you apply ngithi zilonto
for agent and stuff.
In so obviously
Wait. Okay. This guy's got a lot of information, guys. Wait. Explain it as if you're explaining these things for like a 15-year-old, right?
Yeah.
Don't hit me at once. Don't give me all these things at once. So okay, she said there's something, right?
Yeah.
So you have to go and audition for it.
Yeah.
For your cast stories and stuff.
And what.
Okay.
So obviously bengisahlala vele Newcastle yabo so bekhona indawo athi ama4 so besihamba so actor senze izinto zakhona kuleyo ndawo le so angenza abantu nabo sebagcina no bajwayela babona how ingane encane kanje yabo
in talent yabona ukuthi hey there's a potential
okay yabo so obviously from there sa travel saza ngapha sazohlala.
Wait, but like your sister, she had an agent before. Oh, this is what could be an agent.
Yeah, we're gonna agent.
So she's the one who hooked you up with her agent.
Yeah.
Which is now you
have call. Okay. Yeah, uqale like bewini angisakhumbula isitori sakhona bewini. Mara sakulokushin bicycle. Okay, bebadinga amalo ntuza ama extras. Yeah, so obviously bachela ukuthi okay unobhuti yena bo unangaki. So
and then how old were you that time when you
started? Maybe about 16, but my last year.
Yeah.
16 vele. Okay, saya share story sakho. From there, I vele besukile into lokuthi nami sengithola ama groups. Nani like bang hook up abantu abaningi engihlangane nabo like now like mawufika endaweni like kuzozikhipha ebantwini kumele at least ngibone ukuthi okay Hotman now nami ngomjida yazi things game Hotman come kanti ne wena Hotman uphethe into enkulu yabo since okay ngiyabona okay Hotman nangu Hotman sekangifaka na yazi into nami khona ama group yimi wajoin so bheka wena ngizokusendela ama link nani wena uzojoina la ukhulume ne agents vele in izinto zakho. Okay, I did that vele I love ama groups waluka khona no nama agents now saqala ukungibona nginothi
uthi hayi man this person yathi consistency is always around that.
Yes.
Guys, if you want something you have to work for it, guys.
Yeah.
Things just fall from the sky. Okay, example like him, he came to me and says, yo, I need a spot on the channel where I want to do my thing separately. But before, he was shooting with the Gen Zs. Even now, you can still shoot with the Gen Zs.
Yeah,
I can say you're still part of the Gen Zs. But now you have your own show.
My own show,
so you see, guys, if you really there's something that is burning inside you, that flame, you have to keep it burning, guys. You don't stop until you get where you are. Sooner you're gonna have like his own TV shows at Mzansi something. So you see exactly what you did. It's exactly what you're still doing even now. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Like you have to keep that flame going. Okay, if you are one okay, kuna abanye abantu ngathi they don't get where you're going, ne? You break up from there. You start your own thing until the thing works. That's how things is done, boy.
Straight.
That's how things is done. I'm telling you,
man. Straight.
Okay, then my agent.
Yeah, my agent. Okay.
They can see that you're always around.
Yeah, always around, always available. Bengo risk vele lo veskela.
Yeah.
Riding.
Yeah.
Sangela so
Stay good. Yeah.
Obviously ngishanga mentality ukuthi okay asifana ngathi singabantu so nami ngisifunela into right and again like mina vele ngikhule vele ngilo umuntu lothi mina like ngifuna ukuzenzela
you want to be your own boss.
Yeah. So ngibona vele nami ngosisi wami uthi yazini umuntu akasaceli next mole like izinto eziningi uyazenza
uyakhona ukuzenzela
like nami ngaqala okay ngaqala esikolweni thengisa ama sweets chocolates nana uthi okay at least mabangibhukhile nginemali okugibela.
Wow.
Yabo.
Wow. You see, that's what I call a hustle, boy. That's what I call it's a hustle.
Yeah.
You have to keep, you see, that thing is inside you. Like you have to keep following that. If you ucabanga anything, don't think twice. Because you won't do it.
Yeah.
You just do it.
Just do it.
They just both said, if ever you're thinking of starting a podcast or starting whatever, you just record and upload.
Yeah.
Guys, we don't have mics, we don't have anything. We're still using
time goes on.
Yeah, we're still using cell phones to record and everything. But look, we are giving you shows.
Yeah.
Then okay, you're buying sweets.
Ngithengisa ama sweet, uthi ngithola imali okugibela. Khona nama shoelace la ama kushlace. Yeah, na vele wathengisa uthi ngithola imali okugibela ethi. Vele amanye ama
to go to auditions.
Yeah, like lapho bese ngiya like for extras.
Oh, okay. So break time when you're busy thengisa.
Thengisa naseklasini. Like anytime customer
business, right?
Yeah, it's a business. Like anytime customer my phone ngithengisela na ndoda naseklasini epe sweet baba.
Yeah.
So obviously kwamanye modi like kwamanye ama photo shoot nani bebangasibhadala nakhona like into moyithanda ne ungayenzeli ukuthi like uyenzela imali.
Yeah, true man. Shout out. Yeah.
Into moyithanda
ukuthi you have to do and you do it with passion.
Until izikunike lento efuna like number fethu nginefiso zami engisafuna yabo like ukuzu.
I really like his hustle, guys. I like his hustle. I like that flame that is burning inside him. I can see he's going far, guys. I can tell he's going far. It's somebody who wanna take risks, who wanna do this, who wanna stay out. That iyo ento yenze ukuthi abantu baphumelele ndoda. You wanna like that hunger. That you never get enough of something. That's what keep people going.
Because mawuzo dependela komuntu so yabona le.
Yeah, so that picture where you have like white people and everything, where were you guys there?
Bengise Sithole bese shoot the music video ayishonye ubana man, but then bekuyingoma yamalontuza vele amapono. So bese shoot the music.
Wait. So how did you get to Centurion? Like connection why is it?
Agency yami PBA no Daniel yiba bangibhukhile bangibiza
kuthi yo
yes and nakhona nemangiya hot man okay Centurion ile ngasePitori and lapha khona ngithenini like mongena yabo like it's a freeway yabo so masiya lapha masiya siyenge taxi yabo manje masiya kanjalo i-taxi ayimi like a freeway
and kumele nina niye
sehlela esikhane zonyuka ngenyawo songena le so matala sitshela athi i-taxi ayimi la noyehlike ePitori bese nabuya athi
and you can even see where you're going
and
but this guy says there's no stop here
and usirazi umuntu omdala loya and nathi angeke sithi hey nini umuntu omdala kakhulu so okay sharps understand nangu agency phone hey
where are you guys
ayishimele senze noma excuse traffic yabona so sithe masifika lePitori sa request asafika na so masifika okay white people becole bona like is a few abantu abamnyama okay ngaqala ke ukuthi in fact angisho video lapho ngibulisa wonke umuntu vele yabo angazi ichi video yakhona bafethu umuntu ongishayela kangisindelanga ngiyambonisa noma
no way and was supposed to play that clip
ngabe ngiyawabonisa noma hayi le nto le ngiyababulisa, hello, how are you? Abanye ngithi okay bhekani lo ngizomshaya good morning lapho besishutela ebusuku like ishutela siqale ngabo 8 ukushuta ngithi good morning uyavuma na ngithi how umlungu njalo
what are you saying morning to you what is in the evening now
yo maka like uyaphendula uthi how are you ngithi why ngangilungisi so like ngiyabona ukuthi okay like these people like abachachana and stuff nani like they way different man.
So you guys were busy dancing or like what kind of dance?
Like we parts okuthini okay umjidile elezama
like bands
in obviously like masiqala sangena lapha phakathi asitshela ukuthi okay la kule show kule scene le so shooting into kanje nakanje lo makathi nina nithi yangithola excuse me so obviously masifika lapha okay uyaqala vele ushabo ma speech sakhe nani angithi obviously like kulezi zinto lezi like ne-actor naye like i-celebrate elikhulu kumele like likhulume nani ukuthi nathi sofaka lo moya awufunayo
akhona ukunitipha ukuthi guys this is how these things must be
yabona what man so
yabamanje vision lento ayifunayo
okay sayibamba masibamba ayiqale vele kube le ngoma manje mina ngazi ukuthi like le ngoma ajabela manje ngina ngizithola sengithi mangithi ngithi sengibona bangivulele isekele
for real
akithi like ngiyabona ama movie mabathi phela skin ashapali
rock and roll
manje sengi manje mamangane how
and then
sebangrawundini abanye bajabulile I like like le shoot le hot man like enjoyile lapha ngifuna ucamba ma lapha ngienjoyile bafethu abeka abantu like abonothando njengalaba ya phela abafani bona but then labantu laba abafethu banothando abachachana bona hot man anothando nje like lapha zakhipha hot man lapha yo.
So which is the biggest show that you've been in an extra to?
It's Bear besishuta last year December bebashange continuous from Monday to Saturday.
Really?
Bear with Netflix. Like it's
yes, I don't know. I haven't watched. Oh, it's on Netflix.
Yeah, on Netflix. It's a series.
Okay.
Yeah, and happiness na khona like benginomngani uthole role bese nami ngathola role. Angakayibhekeleli feli i-series yakhona i-happiness i-series
so it's Bear
it's Bear and happiness. Like feli nalapha ngathola vele i-role like i-feature bese enye into bekwi-advert khona advert vele leyamanje nje la emalangeni la abantu bebalokho bathi hey wena wasikubona TV yakithi.
Wait. Which advert is this?
Khona advert like a meme. Yeah, like it's a education thing about like we were promoting and stuff.
Into education.
Education and so
okay.
Yeah, like TV like mongahlalela TV bafethu ngangibona generation bengi extra lapha bengishaya isude ebrown bese ngabuya ngeyinye scotch kanje like ngizongibona vele bese ngizobona bathi konje bathi lo muntu like iwaiter iwaiter bekusisi wami lapho ke like ngangilethela itiya yona so must look a shoot abantu awonye but then kona le part le ngibhorile kodwa azijapayane ila makho ila matiye lawa top lawa futhi bafethu abafaki ishukela netiye
about cappuccino. Cappuccino is bad, dog. It's hot chocolate. Cappuccino is worse, bro. How can I put these things? Somehow, yeah. But hot chocolate is the coffee that you can enjoy. not cappuccino ifani nyana
ayi hot man ayina shukela uzwa ngathi uphuza ngazi ti
no bekwenzela cappuccino
yeah bangishayele yona so obviously ngithi lapha ngithi njengale generation besishoot angazi bese restaurant yabo yeah so vele mama sishala baya fela ngithi maybe ngithi sishabo ma breakfast nani yabo ile usindo ukuthi no like
kuyadliwa
yeah like ukudla lapha babeka ukudla vele
you guys
right
ngathi ngisekantini or something
yeah because like ngisho uphuma like kule usindo uphuma usuthi like
so you're actually eating
yeah we're actually eating like eating mama thi siya okay camera rolling sound speeding and action ayisaqala king yabo bekubhedile iscript sakhe lo muntu lo vele cut babathi cut bakushintsha lokudla basithethele ukudla yo but man
okay so of course the production company have to redo everything
like,
so even food they even changing
they changing food like when I think it's you were hungry you must make sure to eat yeah
so amakhatha right when you next moment
very enjoy no but man like lawa manje okay all right lawa mama involve ukudla bese lawa manje ayo but man ikhatha ekhomnandi la khona
because you're doing one thing over and over
yabona khona nale bhele lebe ngikutshela ngayo okay bekuyisino ukuthi sikhuphuka bo ema steps yabo sibevele lapha besiyincoze esikele abantu vele bangibonile ngipostile lapha shaya uniform ebrown kanje nesikhindi vele esikela sabelungu sikele yabo
abo blazer
abo yangithola izinto ezirayi yabona lapha ukuthi manje bekhona le part lokuthi no the last day siphume eklasini siyayehla like sijabulile sehla vele like sisemandleni shaya isimanje yo manje mabathi cut mele sibinde sibuyele lapho sesiyehlile
you have to go break
yo lapho nilambile ngapha ilunch shayani and la basile ngoba like yabona la sekuzodliwa khona hayi la vele abasebenzisa khona bayazi ukuthi manje so noma sidla hayi stop okugcina
so when it comes to acting right ufuna uyapi wena with this acting? Do you want to go and study acting? Do you want to further these things, or ufuna push it to you want to be a businessman, or right now you're just juggling everything at once so you can see which one can work?
Yeah, can work.
Yeah,
like obviously like mina into engifisa bafethu like ngifuna ukuba like permanent bafethu ngifana nomkunzi bomvu umhlongo
acting
ukuzale mara like ngifuna ukuphuma maybe ngishabo mama movie overseas series and I also I wanna also own like ngifuna ukuba ne production yami like
a production company
company yami
fana nabo abo Kevin Hart bano Heartbeat production
and stuff
like shooting your own movies and stuff
ngithola but
mhlambe wena uzidayisa. You shoot your own movie, then you sell it to your Netflix or you sell it to Lionsgate.
Young Toilet man, that's I want. Futhi ukhuluma ngomuntu right ke Kevin Hart. Role model.
So it means now you have to study hard at school. So you can go and do acting.
Mara like man like acting ne like yabona lapha ne Rotman ukuthi no grade 12. Lapha bazokuyenza ngazathi awukaze waye esikolweni like isikole nje
no but like when you're saying you want to have your own production company but like when you go to school right let's say you are somebody who's like who want to be like Kevin Hart and everything you must know each and every details like what's going on
like funga esikolweni se-acting
now you are not just an actor you are running a production company. There's a difference between you want to be an actor, what you're trying to say, which is called that is being given a role. nama instinct wakho wasebenzisayo noku-improvisa kwakho ukuthi if they're saying you must say a certain things, this is how you're gonna do it, this is how you're gonna say it, then abantu i-reaction kubantu and everything. But when we're talking about like having your own production company, it's a different story. You have to pay people. You have to make sure how much cameras that are needed. Is it 4K, whatever K that is needed? Yo, do you understand? Do you get it?
Yeah, I get it.
So I'm trying to say, when you say things, don't say it and then you undermine the work behind it.
Yeah.
Sasa ni span.
Seriously, bad.
Uyangithola sase nespan after i-production uthi ama-deals, how do you guys negotiate deals nama companies amanye nifuna ukwathengisela kuthi everything yenu izokhona ukuba nationwide in fact. Do you understand? Yeah. So we artists, let's say we artists, you have to understand we're talking about spreadsheet. You have to understand once you get signed by a certain record company and everything, this is how much they're gonna take it from you. You have to understand different deals. There's a 360 deals, there's this, do you get it?
Yeah.
So not just being excited with there's no way. So school is needed, bro. School is needed. So you have to. So give me some examples of why do you wanna have your own know the game podcast. Vision. What do you wanna do with the channel?
Okay, with the channel bafethu like ngifuna ukupromote abafethu like konke umuntu like umuntu ozamayo yabona like skills yakho, maybe you a DJ, something like producer yabona like ngifuna ukupromote like ngifuna ukunceda nje yabona like ngibone nani ukuthi like ekasi kune talent yabo kune talent yonke into like ama local brands yabo njengoba nami ngiyenza like isithunya ne fele like nathi bese ngeke siqala isithunya kuphela khona i-brand vele nathi like like
okay, I think here we can start
ngithola so obvious like nabantu bama local brands bangeza like obvious ngizoyenza ama guests and stuff, producers ama-actors nani because bakhona vele nabantu abama-actors namachita vele engisebenza nawo like zipower feel like still nge-skill ne-talent laba fit.
No, shout out to the guy. That's why the name of the channel is Know the Game. You have to know your game, guys, and then do something about the game that you know. So umfana uzonikeza i-platform, come here, talk your story, put it out there so abantu bebangazi ukuthi, as much as we didn't know that now he was on music video. Is that music video out there? Not
yet.
Who tell you who's this artist?
Angmazi namjita but nilaba bamapula bo
so guys, we didn't know that they've been featured on music video. We didn't know you've been an extra on this big soap piece and everything. So it's gonna give you a platform. Please use it. From here, guys, make sure you see push. Even if you did come here before, if ever you have something that you're working on, please come through. Guys, last time you figured episode this and this, so thank you guys for your support. Boom. This thing is gonna go far, guys. And then if still about
image like bangangithola ku WhatsApp, bangangithola 068 806 4777 068 806 4777. Facebook Baba Benito Sthunya angithola, bese Instagram Benito Sthunya, TikTok Benito Sthunya tholakele nje la. So if nawe la wena mbukeli, if una something oyipushayo woza sokhuluma sibonisa abantu iskills sakhe into ephethe ngithola Yeah, and futhi enye into ngifuna ukutshela ne since vele ngubheni into kanje hot man lelo gama lelo ngithole kwenye out kanje
you are a fan is a very system this
ngithole kwenye out kanje babiza uKing Ginger.
Okay.
King Ginger like creamer like creamer.
Wait. How you King Ginger? No way, man.
That's me now. I think it's why I think it's spicy pain.
Okay.
Yo, my friend, it's your boy penny, man. I'm going to show me.
Oh, okay, I get it.
Yeah.
King Ginger.
King Ginger. Yo, God man, like if you don't come, so dlalela vele bayibhekelele. Angeke ufuna makhona ufuna nizo khona. Yabona lento yenzeka lapha bekwinkinga ngoba ngambe ngithi echinja. Oh, you pay this boy. Oh, you pay.
The very same guy.
You very same guy.
I don't fucking try a good relationship.
Mina didn't fucking try. I didn't know fucking pay me. Okay,
is there anything you want to chat about in done?
You got man. Obviously, anything that's chatting on the arts there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, like the arts there. Hey, my friend and I, when you move together, I won't forget the spirit, but fit. I'm so la vele the media, I'm so. Man, you man, so la ganjalo. You don't know what he. Swipe on my phone, I'm so. But see, couples. Exchanging phones umntwana yabo so vele makunjalo bafethu ngiphathe esinye isikorokoro kanje yabo hayi so mina ngiyamtshela ukuthi exchange mfethu le phone yakhe kukhona ukuyisebenzisa yabo hayi athini athe yini impeni so yenza ngendlela ebhlungu lento lena evusi up ayi njalo ikuyangibamba ngithi yabona baba bamba kanjani
wait so wait, what's that in there, Lopad?
Sangana no falano. Hey.
I will exchange some of you.
Exchange.
King Ginger.
La Ginger. So the sensi. Exchange that way, don't keep up perez. I wanna. Yeah.
Okay, Ginger.
I feel no akunilanga na.
Yo, shout out to King Ginger.
King Ginger wakitu my perez. Ngapande wako ngabe nyamjala.
I don't know what happened here, man. Take my money out and stuff.
That's there. Ikiyang bambagan. Ang ikmaiti up. Bambagan mo. La ngiyahlisa khona ngathi ngiyayivula le phone ayingeke. Because ngiyazi ukuthi nema ne underarm la ngaphakathi. Itonzekile ngayi ngabona yabona lela langa lela. Hayi.
That's crazy though.
Bayazi vela abantu abaningi dala bangihleka bayazi le video le papa yo ana sesikele yabona esikela shavela ama video vela abantu mangangena ku TikTok yami Penito Studio anzo abona ku Facebook yami ngishamanya ama video hot manage ama crazy nyajiva mangisilo majiva lo uyenza kakhulu yabona net nje ngithola crazy dance yabona like abo crazy kona nyaut yami kanje babiza itumeleni yathi le hot man yabona me must jive hlezi sishala ama crazy dance la wahlanyisa abantu kanti umuntu yena uyakwazi ukujive like ukujive into engqondo mina ngila ama crazy dance
uphelele lapho
ngiphelele yena yo abona ngathi yo abanye abantu hayi yo abona nje mabafuna ukubona vele izinto zami Penito Studio hayi mangathi nje Penito Studio edile la
guys this I think is going to be like a positive chance that people are gonna have, like, come here, promote your stuff, guys, put it out there. It's either you're an actor or uting is a or he. So please come through, guys. You enjoy Kulman and Nabanbe and stuff, and then share, like, subscribe, comment, press the notification bell. Every time we drop anything, you'll be notified. You guys stay blessed, guys.
Anko.
Okay, Penny, ngizoyenza ngendlela ebuhlungu lento.
zenza kanjani change
uzoyenzela emoyeni because awufuna ukuyenzela Musa
bulifo change change